Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and an overview video of the MI micro USB braided Kevlar cable. Now the reason why I bought this is because it's braided Kevlar cable, so it's supposed to be stronger, and my experience with the MI cables very good. So I actually use this one a lot. This I have around 5-6 of this, because no matter what you do, it doesn't go bad. So after seeing the quality of the previous products, I decided to buy this. So the only thing is, this is a micro USB one. It's not a type C one, so it's a little let down for me. Most of my phones are type C now, but I still own a few micro USB phones and devices, so I'll be using this for them and then see how strong is it going to be, how good it's going to perform. Now it does support fast charging at 2 ampere. So what 2 ampere means is 5 into 2, so that's total 10 watts. So it won't go beyond that. So if you're using a phone which supports more than 2, which is normally not found, because most of the ones like the 3.0 or whatever charging ports are all type C, so you won't find that. But in case you have such a phone which does fast charging beyond 2 ampere, this is not going to do fast charging for you. Just keep that in mind. So let's go ahead, unbox this. Nothing much on this. The price on this says $299. I think I got it for $249, so it's not that expensive. Let's see. And I wanted the red version because the colored products that I bought from MI, the ones which have different colors, they actually look pretty good. So let's see how good this looks like. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so nothing else in this. Just keep this box aside. Okay, so let's take a look at the cable itself. Now this is strong. It's really good. The Kevlar on this looks good, feels good. The red color is also different. It's not totally into the regular red category. It's a little bit of fluorescent mixed into it. So I really like the color. I'll take it out in the sunlight and see how it actually looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and test if it actually does fast charging at 2 ampere or not. So I have a power bank here which does fast charging, and I have a phone, or the Galaxy Note Edge, which does fast charging till 2 ampere. 2 ampere 5 watts. It takes 10 till 10 watts. So let's connect this. Okay, fast charger connected. So it is doing fast charging on it. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality. Now the build quality on this is premium. No matter what I do, nothing happens to it. I've actually by mistake got this stuck in the drawer, and I pulled it and nothing happened to it. I think you might be able to see some lines on it. Actually not even that. So it doesn't even get scratched. So it's very nice. The build quality is very nice. It's one of the rough and tough ones. Now I'll have to use it for a longer period. I just used it for 2 days, so I can't really comment much. So I'll have to use it for a longer period to see if this actually breaks. This is where generally the wires have problem with. Now this one is rough and tough, so I would advise getting this as of now. But let's see, once I use it, only then I'll be able to tell you more about it. Now the Kevlar coating is complete. It's going inside. It's not till here. It's extended to the end, so it will not come off like how a lot of Kevlar coating wires that you've seen, they come off from here. This will not happen. That will not happen with this. Okay, so the initial impression is very good. The wires quality is very nice. The Kevlar coating is very nice. I especially like the color. It's not a regular red color. It's a fluorescent red color in a slightly darker shade. So you really like it. Now in the sunlight, it really looks amazing. It looks totally different. Now it resembles the OnePlus wires, so that's why this stands out. If you have this on your power bank, by default you will be grabbing people's attention. So that's one thing that I'm telling you now itself that will happen. Now the only sad part is this is a micro USB one, so I don't have much of use for it. I have a few devices which have micro USB, but all my other devices have already been converted to Type C. So you'll have to see if this is going to be useful to you or not. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.